A pioneer in electric mobility and sustainability, Audi Brussels produces its 8 millionth car. Audi Brussels is celebrating a special milestone. 8 million cars have been built in the Belgian factory since it was founded in 1949. The car that crossed that threshold is an Audi e-Tron in metallic glacier white. The Jubilee car will become part of the extensive historical car collection in the Audi tradition. At first, however, this historically significant Audi e-Tron will remain for a while at its production site in Brussels, where it is an attention grabber for visitors. Apart from electromobility, Brussels is also a trailblazer in the field of sustainability. In 2018, the multiple award-winning location was the first Audi factory and the first mass production site in the premium segment worldwide to establish carbon-neutral production. The factory uses green electricity and is supplied by a large photovoltaic system.